Niche targeting is a foundational strategy for building sustainable and automated income streams. By zeroing in on a well-defined audience, businesses can significantly reduce market competition and create highly tailored messaging that resonates more deeply. This enables artificial intelligence and automation tools to perform with greater efficiency, managing campaigns, content, and offers in a way that maximizes engagement and conversion rates. With niche markets, customer acquisition costs drop substantially, while the lifetime value of each customer increases. AI can analyze behavior patterns, personalize interactions, and predict future actions with higher accuracy when the target audience is clearly defined. In essence, selecting and dominating a niche is not just a marketing tactic. It's the engine that powers scalable, profitable, and passive business models in today's digital economy. Broad markets often come with significant hurdles such as overwhelming competition, generic messaging that fails to resonate, and high customer acquisition costs due to the need for mass appeal. These challenges can dilute brand impact and exhaust marketing budgets quickly. In contrast, niche markets offer clear, defensible positions where artificial intelligence can operate with precision. By focusing on a specific audience, businesses enable AI systems to tailor messaging, automate personalized experiences, and optimize campaigns far more effectively. Research shows that niche targeting results in a 73% higher conversion rate and a 58% decrease in customer acquisition costs. These figures highlight why niche strategies are ideal for automated income systems. They amplify ROI, reduce manual effort, and foster long-term brand loyalty. In a digital economy driven by automation, niche targeting is not optional, it's essential for success. Niche markets empower AI systems to automate with remarkable precision, unlocking real potential for passive income generation. By focusing on clearly defined audience segments, businesses can deploy specialized solutions and highly targeted messaging that align perfectly with audience needs and behaviors. This clarity enables AI to manage repetitive tasks, customer interactions, marketing, and even product recommendations with minimal human input. The predictability and consistency that niche markets offer make it easier for AI to learn patterns, adapt over time, and continuously optimize results. This synergy between niche targeting and AI functionality leads to enhanced operational efficiency, reduced overhead, and scalable profitability. In essence, niche markets act as the ideal environment for AI-driven automation to thrive, transforming manual work into sustainable, automated income systems that perform consistently around the clock. Ask ChatGPT. The niche focus trade-off is a critical strategic decision in building automated income systems. While broad niches like general fitness appeal to a wide audience, they often come with complexity, requiring continuous AI fine-tuning to accommodate varied goals from weight loss to muscle gain. This reduces automation efficiency and increases operational overhead. On the other hand, a well-defined niche such as marathon training for busy professionals strikes a balance between market size and behavioral predictability. This allows AI tools to deliver hyper-relevant messaging, automate content delivery, and optimize campaigns with minimal manual input. However, going too narrow, like 5K training for left-handed teachers, limits reach and scalability, making it difficult to generate meaningful passive income. The goal is to find that sweet spot where AI can operate autonomously while still reaching a profitable audience segment. Identify 3 promising niche areas within your zone of expertise. These should be fields where you have knowledge, credibility, or access to valuable resources. Evaluate each niche based on key automation potential indicators like market size, audience behavior predictability, content scalability, and competition level. For instance, a niche with steady demand and predictable pain points will allow AI systems to automate marketing, lead generation, and product delivery more effectively. Don't stop at theory. Research where your ideal audience spends time online. Look for active Facebook groups, Reddit communities, Discord channels, and niche-specific forums. Engage and observe the type of questions, challenges, and language they use. This groundwork is crucial for applying the niche evaluation framework properly and building a passive income engine that can grow autonomously with AI handling most of the heavy lifting.